Okay, now we're ready for type 3s, our covalent compounds. Okay, the only thing difference between a type 1 and 2 and then your type 3 is this right here. Is your non-metal. It starts with a non-metal. And so type 1 and 2 start with metals, type 3 starts with non-metals. And so the prefixes just tell you what the subscripts are. And again, this will make more sense once we look at them. So, kind of a side note, you probably need these. You need to put these in your notes, start getting them in your memory banks. Your prefixes all the way up to 10. So 1 is mono, 2 is di, 3 is tri, 4 is tetra, 5 is penta, 6 is hexa, 7 is hepta, 8 is octa, 9 is nona, and 10 is deca. So, again, talk through your steps when you are getting ready to do this. Okay, so we have, so right now we have 1s, 2s, and we're adding 3s to the mix. These here are going to start with a metal. And it's all about the starter. These are going to start with a non-metal. Okay, so dinitrogen pentoxide. Now, this is a prefix. Hopefully everybody can see that. So you skip over kind of the prefixy part and you say nitrogen. Is that a metal or a non-metal? Well, it's on the right-hand side, so right-hand side elements. And I hope you understand that we're breaking the periodic table by the stair step. So anything that's on the right-hand side of the stair step is non-metal. Anything that's on the left-hand side is metals. So nitrogen would be a non-metal. So, and the other thing indicator is the prefixes that tell you it's a type 3. So I guess you could kind of also kind of put that in your notes. I would still know that it's a non-metal, but usually these have prefixes. That's probably a good thing to help you with. Okay. So dinitrogen pentoxide. So nitrogen, and the di tells you how many you have of them. 2. Again, pent is your prefix. Oxide, oxygen is your element. Oxygen, pent means 5. Put it after it. So notice there's no crossing. And the other thing you need to make note of is that there is no reducing. No crossing, no reducing. Okay? No reducing would be a good example of the next one. Heptacarbon, heptanitride. So again, hept is the prefix. Carbon is a non-metal. So 2 ways you know that it's type 3. Prefix and non-metal. So carbon, hepta means 7. Okay. And then you've got nitride over here with a hepta in the front. So we already said that's 7. So you got N and 7. And that's it. Notice there's 2 7s, but I don't touch that because no reducing, no crossing, nothing. Okay. So that's type 3s. That's it. That's all there is to it.